Everyone, I hope you're all having a awesome week. Today I'm going to share some projects with you guys. I've got some Halloween slash autumn fall kind of projects. I was messaging the lovely Andrea because she won my giveaway not so long ago, and I realised I haven't actually ever swapped with Andrea, so I asked her if she'd like to do a little swap. Yeah, and she came up with the idea of doing a loaded pocket. So I've got those bits to share. I did go a bit off theme a little, only a little. We kind of agreed autumn, but I did do a little bit of Halloween. I threw a little bit of Halloween. So I've got the pocket letter, which she said to do, like, came up to do with autumn, but I did want to send a little bit of Halloween bits as well. So this is the pocket letter that I'm going to be sending out, or loaded pocket, whatever you want to call it. I just came up with the measurements myself. Yeah, I didn't follow any tutorial or anything. I just kind of, to be honest, I went with the bits that I wanted to send out. I kind of made the size that I needed to hold those bits. So this is how I've done mine. I've got one pocket like this back bit, and then these two front pockets. So in the back pocket, I have these bits. So that's the back pocket there. These are just papers from the range and stickers. I think these stickers are from the range. This sentiment sticker is from the works. Just used a die to cut out that there, and that's the back. So yeah, so in that back pocket I've just got some of these are KS craft die. It's got some ghosts. I think there's two different types of ghosts, yeah, in there. And then I've left it so she can open it this side, and then it saves like ripping the bag and things like that. And then just done a little bag topper. The lovely Jenny sent me this little die bag topper quite a little while ago now, but I absolutely love it, and I do use it an awful lot. So thank you, Jenny, for sending that out to me. So yeah, so that's those. Then made some rosettes. I think the lovely trying to think now who sent, was it Cheryl? It may have been Cheryl that sent these out to me. I do apologise, I can't really remember. It might have been Cheryl a while ago, yeah, that sent these in a swap we did. I do apologise if I'm wrong and someone else made them for me. I do try and remember who sent me what. But I just backed them onto some nice rosettes, and I thought they'd be quite nice to put on a project and things, so I've gifted her those two, and then I've put some paper in there that she can reuse. Then picked these up recently actually from the range, and they're transparent stickers, and they're all like full kind of all different animals in there. So yes, that's really nice. And then in this envelope I just put a load of different I think stickers in there. There's a load of different bits and bobs. I think some die cuts that I've done as well I've put in there. So yeah, so that was in the back pocket. Then in the front two pockets, that's these two pockets here. That's what it looks like when there's nothing inside it. I just put a sequin mix, again decorated it with a bag topper, and these are, I've kind of tried to keep as best as I can to the fall theme or autumn theme. And then I had some of these felt pumpkins in my stash, and I think there's a couple of different like shapes in there, really cute. So I've sent some of those. So that's that. And then on the side here, I've just made a bit of a dangle, put some beads. These beads and tassels I've picked up from various different places. I think The Works or The Range, Amazon. So it's those. I then crocheted a little witch's hat. I thought they came out really cute. Yeah, and then the last thing is I had a load of these rubbers and I thought I'd make it into a key ring. Yeah, so I've just put that on there, and she could take that off if she wants to and use it how she wants to use it. So those go back in these pockets. And then these ones go in the back pocket. And that's it. So that's what I'm going to be sending out. I then wanted to make something to put it in, because like I said, I wanted to send a few little bits extra. So I've got this, I don't even remember what this box was. I think it may have been like a gift set from Boots or something from last year, and I altered it. Papers again from The Range, and it's like a purple colour underneath, so I thought that was quite Halloweeny. Yeah, and then I've just decorated with different stickers. I think this may have been an Echo Park collection, the stickers, as well as this, these stickers, and then I've put these like gems. Got this boo, and then it's got this bit of ribbon. This already had the ribbon on there to pull it out, and then again I've just decorated inside with some papers. So it's a nice big drawer, it all fits in now. So inside that, I've got those. I'm then going to send, I had this witch's hat in my stash, it's on like a pick. I thought it'd be quite nice to send out. Got this plastic like rat I'm going to put in there. Made this card as well, Happy Halloween. Again, I think this piece is quite 3D. I think I picked that up from maybe Panland or something like that. Yeah, really cute, simple. I used black cardstock and black envelopes from my stash. So that's the card I've made. I then had these 3 glittery pumpkins. Thought you could make, if you get a little like eyelet, you could make these into charms, or you could just stick them on some projects. And then the last couple of bits is I had these leaves, kind of like autumn, and then these stickers as well. Yeah, so I hope she likes what I've made and are sending out to her. Like I said, I will link Andrea's channel down below. She has a Instagram as well as a YouTube channel, so please go and check those out. And thanks again, Andrea, for swapping with me. I really appreciate it, and I hope you like what I've made. Thanks guys for watching, and I hope you have an awesome week, and I will catch you in my next video. Take care guys. Bye.